3 little minutes are all you'll need to make this truly luscious dressing or vinaigrette. A couple of spoons of it can turn the dullest leaves or vegetables into something exciting and delicious to eat. It keeps very well, and you can store it in your cupboard or, if you're the nervous type, in the fridge. Get your vinegar, mustard, olive oil and honey and garlic at the ready. Get yourself a nice clean jar. I'm using an old jam jar that once held 350 grams of jam. Peel 3 fat garlic cloves. Crush them straight into your jar. Add 1 tablespoon of smooth Dijon mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 and 2. Now pour in some vinegar. A wine vinegar would do, but I am using apple cider vinegar. And you pour it in carefully until the vinegar is 1/3 of the way up the jar, like so. At this point, you can give it a little stir. Now, fill the jar with some good quality virgin olive oil. Give it another little stir. Screw on the jar lid tightly. Now here comes the fun bit. I'm going to twist and shake my jar till it's all emulsified. Oh, look at that. It's gone all luscious and creamy. At this point, it's a good idea to taste your dressing just to see if the seasoning needs tweaking. I'm actually going to add an extra teaspoon of honey. Remember, the ingredients tend to settle to the bottom of the jar over time, so before you use the dressing, always give the jar a little shake and twist. Time to try it now. Yum. That'll encourage me to eat some salad.